what I have here is I've got Power Pivot up today. So some of the benefits of Power Pivot is data modeling and flexibility. It allows you to connect different variables across different data sets. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect a mate's gym data set across for his clients. So he provided me with their one rep max or the client's lifts, their financials, and their health data. As we can see here on the screen, we can see all the different data sets that I have here are open on Power Pivot. Now, what I can do is I can go across into the schema to have a look at the connection, make sure that it's all being connected correctly, which is the diagram view tab up here. As we can see, we've got all the different connections here. They've all been connected up so they can talk to one another. Now, due to the version of Excel that I'm running, I won't be able to put in that health data, but I will go financials and client lists. Now, the enterprise version of Excel, Power BI, all those tools, they all have schemas, so you can connect across various different data sets. Connect from your data in SQL servers to formulate a model and analyze it with a pivot table. Okay. So as we can see here, I've already got it open, so I don't need to go again. We've got two, standard pivot table. You just open up with one data set. Power Pivot opens up with two. So as we can see here, we've got client lists and financials. So if I just want to find out, okay, these clients here, these are my mate's clients in his business. He wants to know, okay, how many sessions have they committed to in their contract, and what's their maximum bench press. So you can see here, Bob Spats is committed to 3 sessions per week, and his max on bench press is 120 kilos. Okay, and we can go through, have a bit of a look around. If we have a more sophisticated version of, or a later version of Excel, or an enterprise version, or Power BI, we can then add in a third, fourth, fifth data set to continue the model a little bit more, find those relationships between variables, and then slice and dice to uncover sort of trends, I guess, and patterns across different areas of a business. We just need that connecting variable. That's always important to have, because without the connecting variable, it makes it very difficult to connect the data sets. And in this instance, our connecting variable is the client variable there. So my client's asked me, he just wants to know this for today. So I've gone, okay, yep, no worries, mate. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a pivot chart. We're just going to chart this out for him. Okay, so we just put it in, and we can see there that Bob Spats, he's on 3 sessions, and that's where his bench is on the side here. Okay, so we've got bench press versus number of sessions. You would put in this instance here. So that would be an analysis there that you could potentially perform. Now, if he wants to find out something else, if he just wants to know squats, for example, instead of bench, he goes, yeah, mate, that was really good. I want to know squats. So we go in, we put squats in, and we can then have a look at, okay, what's their squat relative to the number of sessions? What's their, and then if he goes, oh, what about, compared to the session duration? Then, you can have another little look again at the session duration, which is in here. The session duration for each particular client's on here. Bob particularly does 45 minutes, and he can do 110 kg squat.